Alright, boys. We heading out. It's Elijah and Sue, first time out on Bubby the boat. We leaving the dock. How y'all feel?
I feel like I'm a fisherman.
I'm a fisherman.
I'm a fisherman.
Mommy, look, I'm a fisherman. Here, hold this. Very carefully. Point at the sucker. I just want to get this right.
We got to keep these on the hook.
Yeah, because that's what keeps you alive.
Ain't that uncomfortable?
This ain't no swimming pool. Once you're gone, you're gone. Alright. Just tell us how deep of water we in and everything. How cold the water is. 55 degrees. We ain't gonna go out that way because you see it was dried up the other day. We're gonna head out here if we can.
This way?
Yeah, if we can. Don't want to get stuck again. Alright, let me put this away. Way back. Yeah, there you go. Way back.